MS Word is a word processor program or application developed by Microsoft. Hi, welcome to Krishmaya Guru. To help MS Word learners, Krishmaya Guru is bringing many videos in the learning series of MS Word. Hopefully, it will help all the learners of MS Word. Today's class, we would be introducing MS Word and we will be learning what are the features and what are the areas of usage of MS Word. MS Word is a word processor program or application developed by Microsoft, and it is being commonly used to create or edit personal or business documents like letters, reports, books, etc. You might have seen the documents like reports or books. So in all these areas, you can easily use the MS Word and create the documents of your like. Some features include to create documents with various graphics, including pictures, charts, and diagrams. For example, if your documents require some pictures or charts or diagrams, you can make the diagrams of your liking. There are a lot of tools available in MS Word, and that would certainly will help in preparing the documents. To create letters and letterheads for personal and business purpose, and to design documents such as resumes or invitation cards, like you can design the invitation cards. There are many templates available in MS Word. To create correspondence documents like emails, memos, etc. And there are few common fields where MS Word is being used. Few of the common fields where MS Word is used are it is used in education, like preparing notes, reports preparation, or preparing assignments, completion of assignments and submitting, etc. In workplace or in business, you might have seen that in business or workplaces it can be used for like generating reports, letterheads, and business reports, project reports, and write-ups, etc. So there are many uses in business area for writers and authors, for writing books, biography, autobiography, etc. There are many more fields where MS Word is being used, and these are the few fields which I have picked. From this, we understood that MS Word is a very useful application from Microsoft, and it is widely used application for creating documents, either it is for personal or business purpose. In the next video, we would be looking at MS Word basics, and there we would be learning what are the basics of MS Word, like how to create a file, how to save a file, and many more. I hope you would be watching all the videos of this learning series of MS Word from Krishmaya Guru, and you would be with us till the end of MS Word course. We would be bringing many more videos in this learning series of MS Word. At the end of the course, I'm sure you would be a master of MS Word. I will see you in the next video tutorial. Till then, bye.